Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a contact form. So contact forms are what you can use to embed onto your site or leave on your socials for any potential clients to click on and submit a series of questions that will allow you to basically ingest them as a lead onto the Tallyflow platform. When a client fills out a form and clicks submit, a project is automatically generated and the contact with its details is added to your CRM. So I'm currently on the page where you can configure your contact form. How I got here was, let's go back. I went to contact forms and I clicked create contact form and I clicked start from scratch. So when I'm on here, as you can see on the canvas, we already have a few sample information that I would like to capture. These are added by default. When I click on the tool, as you can see here, each of these rows reflects a row over here. And if I want to add a new row with a new question, I can click add a row. And here I can configure what the row is. So I can actually make it one column or two columns. When I add a second column, then in this row is another field is added. So fields here are basically your questions. So here we have some built-in fields: first name, last name, email, phone number, the project start date, end date, start time, end time, and project description. I can also add my own custom fields, and I can choose the label. So is your event indoor or outdoor? And I can choose the type of field it is. So do I want it to be a checkbox or a drop down or a date or a phone number? So maybe I want it to be a drop down, and I make it required. And these are, for example, the options that I would provide in the drop down. And each new line is a different option, and then I can save it to the library, and then I can use it as a field. So now it shows up here, and if I preview it, then you can see that those are the two options. Once you're done creating your form, then you can go ahead and click publish, and it'll publish it. One other thing that I want to mention as well is that along with fields, you could also customize the design. So you can choose the text color, the background color, and you can choose the background color of the entire form by clicking onto the body section. I can also change the width of the entire body by increasing the pixels here. I can change the background color to something like red. For now, I'm just going to keep it as white. And then in the form settings as well, I can change the button color and the text of the button. Let's go. And I can change the background color to something that fits my brand. And I can choose the alignment, and I can also choose the fonts here as well. All the way at the bottom, I can see my custom fields that I created. So as you can see here, this is the one that we just created, and I can add more custom fields as well. This works both on mobile as well as on desktop and iPad. So once I'm done, I want to name the contact form, and I'm going to click publish. Once I publish it, it'll generate me an embed code, which I can use to actually embed onto my website. So whether you use Squarespace or Webflow, WordPress, Wix, whatever it might be, this embed form will allow you to actually embed code will allow you to actually embed the form onto your website, so you can start capturing leads. Or you can even use the link here and put it onto like your Instagram or Facebook or wherever you're getting leads, and allow your clients or future clients to submit a form. So, yep, that's how you create contact forms in Tallyflow. As always, let us know if you have any questions, and we will be happy to respond. Thanks. Bye.